Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A06. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here's been the phone previously, and if I remove this little white box here again, then I will find on the back of it the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit or a bit stronger, and then the SIM tray will come out. On this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. Let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to the first position, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner on the SIM tray. It only fits like that, and the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add now optional a second SIM card. In case if you want to have a second SIM, place it here in the middle. Okay, and this is how it should look like then. So also missing corner to missing corner. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below as well. And if you want, you can extend now also the internal storage of the phone with a micro SD card. If yes, it belongs here to the last position. So insert it well, press it a bit. And this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that. And of course you can use it also with one SIM card, with one or two, it doesn't matter. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put back your SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.